Virtual reality in eDrawings Professional enables users to explore their designs at a one-to-one scale using a VR headset. Originally introduced in 2019 as a beta feature, eDrawings Professional 2020 now fully supports virtual reality and delivers several enhancements. Just open a native SOLIDWORKS model in VR, put on a headset, and jump into your design. It's that easy. Visual quality is greatly improved in eDrawings 2020 with support for transparency, full scene anti-aliasing, and ambient occlusion, which gives your model a more realistic appearance. There are more options to control the sky and floor, including the option to add your own custom environment images. There's an option to fade the horizon to remove the hard line between the floor and sky. With the new transparency support, you can see through clear objects, such as the glass doors, and ambient occlusion enhances shadowing, providing a more natural, realistic look. For companies seeking an immersive experience for their designs, eDrawings Professional 2020 provides a seamless path to virtual reality, allowing you to simulate physical presence with your design in a virtual environment.